So another way to solve this is we know that after the word of is our whole. So I'm going to use a tape diagram this time. So I'm going to draw a tape diagram. It's a little sloppy, but it's okay. So our whole is 200. And then when I'm thinking of a benchmark percentage, for example, this whole thing is actually 100% because we know the whole is 100%, right? So if we're trying to get to 45, can we do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100? That's 10 equal pieces, but do we ever reach 45%? No. So if we do, let's say 25, 50, 75, 100, that gives us 4 equal pieces, but do we ever hit the 45%? No. So I'm thinking maybe we should do 5 because we could easily count from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that gives me 20 equal squares because if I do 100 divided by 5, I get 5 times 2 equals 10. I'm going to drop the 0. 5 times what equals 0? 0. So that's 20 equal squares. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so I have 20 equal squares now. Each of these is 5%. So each box is 5%. I have 20 equal boxes. I need to split 200 into how many equal boxes? 20. So I'm going to do 200 divided by 20 equal boxes. And that gives me 200 divided by 20 is 20 can go into 2 how many times? 0. So 20 can go into 20 how many times? 1. And you drop down my 0. So 10. So each of these little boxes represents 10. So I'm going to write 10 in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. So I'm going to keep writing 10s because I know 200 divided by 20 equal boxes equals to 10 per box. All right, so I have 10 per box. And what percentage do I need to get to? 45%. So I need to count 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that is 45%. So I'm going to circle the 45%. Now I'm going to count how many is in the circled area to give me how much 45% is. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I know 90, so this is 45%, but there is 90 inside. So 90 is 45% of 200.